In a world where
We know, we the amateurs, we write that Griga with no visa.
I need the one hit.
We must have done write like about 50 songs already.
one man
I've got to be in Belize City to do a television special.
Right now, you gotta make your way back to Dandriga, man.
James, this could be a big break, my brother.
Does it look like I'm gonna be stranded here at your place?
I have a contest my song and it will be perfect for your show. My wife go make us some dinner and then I could play a couple of songs for you.
What's up with the ladies around here?
He look for a sexy young lady to walk with my bike.
Sometimes need the company of a nice lady.
You know I get at ya?
one woman
Babe, guess who I see out there drive by in our car? And I'm a big fan of him when I'm 16. Imagine seeing Lonzel in person driving down the main.
one decision
And he want my wife near the valley there.
You're a jealous man.
You really have to stop being too jealous.
Not the jealous husband.
This man want to go to the Black Dove.
From what I understand, the women walk half naked, serving beers in cups.
I know the sexiest waitress there. Go bring her over and keep Lonzo company.
Can't go wrong with her.
one girl
I got a big job for you.
How much?
$500.
You beautiful and think me you sweet. You are working nice, baby.
I know my job.
she has been chosen
First of all, we need to get you out of the closer.
Don't worry, I will do my best.
You get your skin so soft.
How did you happen to get stranded here?
Just lucky, I guess. I can't believe what some people will do to sell a song.
Where it going? Where I miss? Just find out that I'm not dog.